Hi guys, and this was continuation of a review regarding let me shut it down now. Sorry, this is a continuation of a review regarding Akrapovic titanium exhaust system install. So this is one from BMW which called HP titanium exhaust system. This is a street legal. It has all the marks. You can see them over here. So, and I have this Akrapovic GP end on it as well, and it definitely sounds louder and different comparing to a standard can, like a BMW standard, not just like a rear can, but like with the main can underneath a bike and headers. So listen to that. I just finished the programming of a bike for this exhaust system, installed the option, and just listen to this. If you have a good audio system, hopefully you will hear it. Yeah, it didn't do that before. Well, it's loud shooting. Well, I'm not sure. It's maybe too loud for the street. I don't know. Let's see what and how it's going to be while riding. I guess the downshifts on a bleeper would be really loud. Anyway, so that's it. Thank you very much and bye.